So what the installation is really doing is it's actually a planetary protection system.
Yes. This is first of all planetary protection system. But, you know, being a human, normal human creature on this planet, first thing maybe was, oh, interesting, somebody is keeping us or preserving us from a danger. And later on, a little bit later on, we have understood that they preserve planet and they preserve somebody else, the planet behind the sun. It means they preserve themselves. But as soon as we are in between this planet Earth and themselves, we are somehow, well, preserved too. Just look. It is very good work.
Is this phenomenon also occurring in Russia? Are there millions of people who believe that they've been abducted in Russia?
You know, we have been investigating this particular question, and we came to very interesting conclusions. I wouldn't say that millions of people or thousands, no, but there are many people who have not been abducted because on their level of knowledge and on their level of understanding and abilities, they do not need to abduct people. No. I will try to explain what's going on.
When you say they, you're talking about the...
It is, yes, it is. It is. When it is are flying here, there are some kind of scientific expeditions which are visiting the planet. For us it was very unusual to find out that the deepest and the most important interest for them is the God. Who is He? They are looking and searching for God,
yes,
and His creation ways, understand everything. And they can learn it only in one way, if they learn and check how big human groups are behaving, kind of an invisible influence, and how people are reacting. At the same time, there is another very interesting technology. When they meet a person, they take from a person kind of an informational hologram. This hologram, which any human being have, contain in itself information about previous lives, about present life, and something about possible future. They take this hologram, informational hologram, and then to be able to read it, to decode information, they need to have a special key. This special key is the sample of your way of thinking. For this reason, to have this key, they somehow transmit into your brains a hard idea, like, just an example, you are living wrong. You broke our laws on this planet. This is the reason why very soon, when the sky became dark, thousands and thousands of people will die, and only few of them will stay alive. And at this particular moment, when a human being starts to analyze this information, they just read it, like they take it like from a computer. Hops, that's it. They don't need anything. They take this hologram, they take this key, and then keeping this hologram anywhere there, they can have any information about a human being and what's going on with him and his surroundings. So they don't need at all to abduct people. There are very few cases when they take a person, and usually there are only two reasons why they do it. First reason, they are simply healing people, just healing. As soon as a person is here and this person has some maybe problems with the health, they just heal this person just in case. And there is another reason. Very seldom they can meet a person with unusual genetic abilities. Unusual. This is the reason why they take a genetic samples. That's it. But it's maybe for the whole planet, for 1 week or 1 year, it can be no more than 4 or 5 people.